Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous Cadillac CTSV. We got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Great.
Tell me about your car.
That's a 2011. It's got 35,000 miles. It's got a ton of work done. All done by Jeremy Formato out of Tampa, Florida, called Fasterproms. You can look into that a little bit. It's got cam heads, E85, pulleys, ported everything.
Motor only has a couple hundred miles or something, right?
Motor has 7,000 miles. Was done by GM 3 years ago. It's got 7,000 or less miles. I gotta look it up on the paperwork. Oil's changed all the time with Amsoil. It's done probably every 2,000 miles. Can't think of much more that I'm gonna write it all down. I just forget all this stuff. I've had this car for 6 years already. So, but it runs really fast. Went to the track, did 1008, spinning the tire on the wheel with me in the car with no weight taken out. With these wheels and tires, just like you see it.
Wow.
So the car will go 9s easily.
What was it dynoed at?
747. That's very conservative.
It's a conservative, too.
Yeah. But listen, track times prove everything, and that's been done.
Just a little dusty. Sounds incredible. What kind of exhaust?
Stock exhaust with no cats.
Sounds incredible.
I don't believe in exhaust. Doesn't go any faster. The paint is 98% perfect. The hood's been wrapped in a semi-flat.
Oh, you wrapped all the chrome too, didn't you?
No.
No?
Oh, some of it, yes.
Yeah, some of the side chrome.
Some of the sides, yeah. That's right. See, I forget all this stuff. A little bit in the front there, wrapped in the bottom.
We're going to have a full write-up on the website when he gets his mind around how much money he spent on this car.
It's a little dirty, like right here, just dirt. I hate to do this to black, but that's just a water spot.
Yep, it's beautiful.
That's what you can add.
Yep. It's got recaros. This gauge goes where the clock is. Just never installed it. There it is, 35,578.